Hello everyone! Today, as you can tell by the thumbnail, we're working on some rockers. So we're gonna fix this rust here. It's a disgusting rainy day. So thankfully I've got a nice garage to work in. That is a big help. These rockers are pretty good, all things considered. You can see there's a little bit of gravel guard here that comes from the factory. We're gonna move the gravel guard up to about this high. So I also have to do some taping. I'm going to tape this off because I don't want any paint on that. So I'll start with the taping, and then you'll see I'll move the gravel guard up to about here. The worst of it's here, the rust. So that is probably rusted through. I'm going to be doing starting the work on that too while I'm here, and I've got my Bondo open. I've got these old tire bags which are absolutely perfect for masking off the tires. Taping the car is a chore. It actually took me an hour to do that on both sides. I'm going to whip out the sandpaper and I'm going to sand the bottom. So I'm going to start with 80 grit. On an unrelated note, my girlfriend backed my car into the neighbor's cars yesterday, and there's a little bit of damage there. You can tell the other car was blue. There's a little bit of damage, so it's good to know somebody that knows body work. Most of it was good, so I just had to scuff it so the undercoating has something to grab onto. I'm also going to do undercoating over here in this section here. This is all going to get worked on. Pleasant surprise here. I still have a lot more metal than I thought I would have, so that's great. I'm going to sand this some more, but that's good. And then I'm going to fill the bottom here. There's nothing left on the bottom. So I'm going to fill that in with some Bondo glass. That should stretch it out quite a bit. Now that everything is scuffed up, I'm going to mix in my Bondo glass and apply liberally. The Bondo phase is done. Now I'm going to come in with my rocker guard. I just wanted to show you the front part. The worst of it looks great now. This is the product I'm using. It's paintable, so I will be doing that right as soon as it's dry. I'm going to do 3 coats of this. Now this product comes out bumpy. That is exactly what you want. It should be bumpy like that when you're done. That is awesome. I'm going to let this dry overnight, and then tomorrow we'll paint it silver. Then I'll put just a little bit of silver paint on this. And that should look great. The exact same for the rockers. Just paint everything silver. I'm thinking that 2 coats ought to be great. Spray painting the rockers only takes like 10 minutes. So how much time did I spend on this? I spent the better part of the day yesterday doing the Bondo work, and then spraying the rocker guard. That was about an hour, because I would wait 15 to 20 minutes between each coat. So that was the hardest part of it, just waiting. And then this morning, spraying the rockers, that was just like 15 minutes. So I'm gonna wait another 10 minutes and then I'll do a second coat. I removed all the tape, and now the car is available to drive. In fact, I'm gonna take this car this afternoon to go shopping with my girlfriend. So the car was only down for a day and a half really. So I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.